Hey guys, what's going on? I'm here to tell you a little bit about a razor that I've been using. It's called Schick Intuition FAB. Years ago, I remember back in like probably 2002, maybe before that original Intuition razor came out, and I was such a huge fan of it. It was like a razor and it had like the soap bar around it and it was great. It made your legs feel so smooth after shaving them, but it didn't last very long. Like the soap that was around the razor, like I would say like 2-3 times you know, the soap, maybe just in my experience, I do have like coarse hair on my legs when it comes in, but I feel like it didn't last very long. So I was a little hesitant to try the Intuition FAB because of that reason, even though it's a totally different razor, but it's like the same brand. But I have to say, since I've been using it, I've been having a very, very positive experience, and this has lasted me, this razor, because I literally just use it, has lasted me like over a month. So I'm really happy. I don't like regular Schick razors. I need like a special one that's just, because I'll cut myself, and you know, I feel like they don't cut well or they get dull. But the Intuition FAB, I feel like it's actually works really well, and I'm really happy with it. So just a little bit about it. It's about Schick. Schick is on a mission to simplify every woman's shaving routine with the new Intuition FAB razor. The innovative bi-directional blades allow you to safely shave forward and backward without removing the razor from your skin. Skin guards on the razor blades help prevent nicks and cuts, while the advanced moisture gel provides an effortless glide, helping the razor move smoothly across your skin. Life is busy enough without having to carve out time to shave. Keep it simple, ladies, and enjoy the effortless ease of having Schick Intuition to shave with. So, product dimensions, it is 1.5 by 3.6 by 7.8 inches. Shipping weight is 0.6 ounces. And I think currently it can only be shipped in the US. But you could find this in different stores, and I would say like any drugstore really should have it. And of course online would probably be the easiest. So I don't shave in both directions. I shave up. So that's what I do with this razor. I don't shave down and up. I know some people do that, but I guess you could do that if you wanted to. And then it does, I bought the razor and it came with an extra cartridge. You could see like on here how like these were all white before and now they're all dulled out because the moisture gel is gone. So I do have to replace it, and it's very easy to do so. So I'm going to open this up and show you guys. So I just took the wrapping off here. I popped off the old blade, which you just saw me do, and I'm just going to stick this back in. Alright, I got it. So I was able to snap this back on, luckily. There we go. So you could see now I have like the new razor. I was putting it the wrong way when I was trying to show you guys, but literally it takes 2 seconds to snap this in so that it's good and ready to go. But I do like the fact that it's pink. It's very girly looking, and I'm very girly myself, so I think the color is very pretty. I saw this on commercials, so it is like pretty popular if you've seen it around. I'm just really happy by how well it works. I haven't cut myself once with this at all, and it's just great. I think this razor is a blessing, and I'm so happy with how long the razor itself lasts. So, because it could get expensive when you have to like keep rebuying the cartridges and stuff. It definitely gets expensive, so it kind of saves you money when you don't have to keep replacing it all the time. Like I said, this lasted me a month. It may have been stretching it, but I shave my legs like every couple of days. I'd say like every 3 days, and I've just been like really, really super happy with it. So again, that's the Schick Intuition FAB razor. It comes with bi-directional blades, 3 up, 2 down. You could safely shave up and down without lifting the razor from your skin. Like I said, I only shaved up, I didn't shave down, but you could do both. Comes with advanced moisture gel for effortless glide and for a very, very close shave as well. So if you guys want to try, if you ladies want to try a really great razor with sharp blades and that you don't have to replace the cartridge a lot, I would definitely go for the Intuition FAB. And when you buy the razor, like I said, it comes with an extra razor blade, and I think it's definitely worth a little bit more money than the regular Schick razors, which I'm really not a big fan of. So definitely check this out. I can promise you less cuts and stuff than you would get with like a regular whatever kind of razor, this is definitely a step up. So check it out, ladies, and I hope this video was useful for you guys. Thanks for watching.